Hello, my name is Lutz, I'm 19 years old, and a few months ago I joined Applied Materials as a member of the IT. As an installation customer engineer, or ICE for short, I'm responsible for installing our tools at the customer sites. That means we help to move the tool into the fab and put it in place. After that, we install all the cables and parts needed and do all the calibrations until the tool is ready for the customer to take over. My favorite thing about the job is working just hands-on these really complex and fascinating tools. When you power up the tool and see all the robots move for the first time, that's always just so cool. As an ICE, I'm working all around the world. I just came back from Dresden, where we installed a tool in Europe's biggest semiconductor factory. And next week I will be traveling to Italy, where they built a completely new fab, and our tools are the first to arrive, so it's going to be very interesting. What would I say to someone considering accepting a role at Applied? Just do it, no doubt. I am Lutz, I'm an install customer engineer, and I'm Applied Materials.